Hello and welcome to the masterclass on how to find customers for your business. My name is Funke Oyende. Customers are the lifeblood of any business because without customers, there will be no business. So your duty as a business owner is to find and get customers continuously. Continuously, you must be bringing in customers into your business. And there are two categories of customers. We have existing customers, which are customers that have already done business with you at one time or the other. So these customers already know you, they've already had contact with you, they've already done business with you. The second category is what we call new customers. Those are new people that have not heard about you before and they don't know you. So your duty is to, number one, retain your existing customers and also attract new customers all the time. So you retain your existing customers because it is 7 times easier to keep an old customer than to get a new one. 7 times easier to retain an old customer than bringing new ones, because new customers are skeptical, they've not known you, and it will take time for them to know you and trust you. But existing customers already know you and they feel at home with you, they can even refer you. So you have to make your existing customers to bring in referrals for you. That means that you have to leverage on your existing customers. You make them bring referrals to you, and you learn to build an amazing business around your existing customers because they are a gold mine. You don't just do business with them once and for all and you drop them. No, you have to retain them, and they keep referring other people that need your business to you, and also they keep coming back to you anytime they need what you are selling. New customers. How do you get new customers? You have to attract them. You have to attract them. How do you do that? By a number of ways, and one important way, number one, is create great offers, irresistible offers, attractive offers. So these are very wonderful deals that they will find hard to say no. So rather than just selling products, I sell this, come and buy this, they will just scroll by. They won't even take attention, they won't even take notice, because they see so many such messages from day to day online. So it's easier for them to just scroll by. But when they come across a very great offer, you package this and that, you put everything together and the whole thing looks so irresistible. And you have to be very creative to be able to bring up irresistible offers. You have to be very creative so that you're able to come up with something that customers will find hard to say no to, especially new customers, because everybody's looking for nice deals. So you have to learn how to create nice deals that when people see it, they will not be able to say no to such deals. So learn to create great deals to attract new customers. That is number one. Number two, you have to ask your existing customers boldly to send you referrals. So these people normally, they will pre-qualify these leads they're sending to you because they already know what your business does. They already understand your business, so they know the right fit for your business. So they will send these people that are already pre-qualified to you because they know that they are the kind of people that will profit from your business. And it can just be their WhatsApp contacts. These people are on their WhatsApp contacts. They can easily send them to you, connect them with you, and give you new customers, new leads and new customers. And because people that know them refer them to you to make it will lower their guards and make it easier for them to trust you, because it is somebody they know and trust that referred them to you. So they will not be skeptical, like as if they didn't know you before. So they are going to be more relaxed and be ready to buy from you because they were referred to you by their trusted friends and relatives. So that is number 2 way you ask your existing customers to send you referrals. You see that your existing customers are truly a gold mine. You don't throw them away. They will send you referrals. So it's going to reduce your cost of acquiring new customers. You're just going to get new customers and make money from your old existing customers. Number 3, be found online, be findable, be visible online. Don't just be doing your business in your shop, in your room, in your office, offline. Make sure you have very strong online presence. When people get on Google to search for the product or the service you're selling, make sure they find you. So bring your business on Google. Get a Google profile for your business, which we used to call Google My Business. So this way, help customers around your locality that need your business to find you. Google is going to, because you are going to put your address there. So when people around you are searching for your business, your product or service, Google will refer them to you, that this business is close to you. So Google is going to direct them to you. And you see, when people get online to search for products or services like that, they are red hot leads, because they already have their money. They need this product, they need this service, and that's why they are searching. So they already have their money. They are ready and to buy. So make sure that when they are ready and they are searching like that, they find you. Also, you have to create social media accounts, social media business pages for your business. On Facebook, you create Facebook page or pages for your business apart from your personal profile. And on Instagram too, you have Instagram business accounts for your business. And on this account, on this your business pages, make sure that you really look professional and business-like. No personal things there, personal pictures, all those things like that, family things should not be there. And you put in your bio, you put in all your business information, good profile, pictures, headshots, descriptions of your business, and you are really, really business-like, so that when people come on your pages, they will see value and they will see that, yes, this is a business we can patronize. So be really business-like on your pages and have these pages for your business apart from your personal profile. And don't just be salesy. Don't just put your products there, your services. Give value, offer value on your pages. Give people tips. Give them value on your pages so that it will attract more followers to follow you when they are getting value from you. So when they are getting value free of charge from you, they will be inclined to do business with you because of the law of reciprocity. That is, they have to reciprocate the value and the kindness, the value they are getting from you by buying from you. Is that taking? So get on social media, have social media accounts for your business, and also get on all these online classified sites like Gigi. Gigi is a very big classified site. They have the free platform. They also have their paid ones where you pay for them to promote you. So when you have your business listed on such platforms like Gigi, and you can create as many products, so many that you want, products or services, list them on Gigi with pictures, with descriptions, so that when people search, they will be able to find you. So people are active on various online platforms. So those that use Gigi, they will find you. Those that you use Google, they will find you. Those that use Facebook or Instagram or Twitter or LinkedIn, they will find you. So with this, when you are conspicuous online, you'll be having regular influx of customers to your business from different angles. You will not lack customers. So make sure you are easily found online. So another one, number 4, I guess now, is that you should join relevant groups online and offline. These groups are communities of people, like-minded people who have a common interest. So you join groups that have common interest with what you are selling as a business. So when you join these groups, you should be active. Don't join these groups and just be quiet, be passive, not participating. No, you are a business person. So once you get into these communities, you should introduce yourself, you should be active, and you should join in discussions, participate, offer solutions when people are looking for solutions. They need advice. You get in there and give them relevant advice, suggestions, help to solve their challenges, and this will get you noticed. And some will normally want to follow you they will go and look you up and start following you on your various online handles. Some of them will send you DM to get further help from you, and they'll be open to buy your paid products because they are already benefiting from the free value you're offering in the groups to which you both belong, whether they are offline groups or online groups. It could be Facebook groups, or maybe some other groups you belong to offline. There are some clubs, there are some associations that are offline that business people, that can serve you as a business person. So whether it's an offline group or online, be active and be very helpful. You're always rendering value, you're always ready to help. This will attract loads of leads and customers to you. Number 5, you have to collaborate with others. Collaboration. So this means collaborating with businesses that share the same audience with you, but not necessarily selling the same product or service like you. So you are complementary, you are not competitive. You share the same audience, but you sell different products or services. So the way you collaborate is that you will refer their product or service to your own audience, to your customers, and they will also refer your product, your services to their own customers. So you'll be tapping into their network, and you'll be selling, for you. You are also selling for them. That is a very good collaboration or strategic alliance. So this is a very great way for you to get new customers into your business. So if you have this kind of collaboration or strategic alliance with this business, with that one, all of them having your own kind of audience, and they are helping to promote your product, your service to their own network, to their own clients, you see, you are increasing your customer base without even spending any money, and they are also profiting because you are also you are promoting their products, their service to your own customers, to your own network, because you share the same audience. I hope you quite understand. So we go to the next one, which is paid collaborations. This is different from the first one in that here you have to pay, and you should be open to paying to get new customers into your business. There might be influencers that have your audience. They have the kind of people that need your product or service. But here, you have to pay these influencers for them to promote your business to their audience, to their followers. So you are open to that, and then you pay them and they promote you and expose you. But you must make sure that these influencers, they have your right audience, and the audience they have is a very engaged one, not a kind of influencer that has, let's say, 100,000 followers. But when you look at the pages, you see that even though he or she has a very large followership, big audience, but the engagement is very low, that tells you that that is not a good place to put in your money. So you must make sure that the influencer, the page is very engaged. The followers engage with his or her posts before you put your money to pay such influencer to promote you. That is very important, so that you don't waste your money. So that is paid collaborations. Number 7 now is running of ads. This is very, very important. You need to run ads to your business. In fact, it's non-negotiable. Whether you are a small business, big business, every business person should be running adverts. You should be running ads, because you only have so much people in your followership, in your audience. But when you run ads, you'll be exposed to much more larger audience of people that will buy your product, buy your services. So we have Facebook ads, we have Google ads, we have Bing ads, and we have other ad platforms and networks that you can run ads and pay to run your adverts. But Facebook is a very good place to start, because it's cheaper and it's easier, it's faster. So what you just need to do, once you have your page created, your business page, whether on Instagram, whether on Facebook, you will be able to run your ads, and your product will be exposed to a huge number of new people every day coming into your business continuously, and then you will be able to make a lot of profit and a lot of return on your investment. So this is something you must look into, running of ads. In another video, I will be showing you how you can actually create and start running your Facebook ads. So with all this, you are ready to start acquiring new clients to your business, and also profiting and leveraging on your existing customers. I will see you soon. Bye for now.